Carmen! Carmen! What are you doing? Don't drink it. Dirty. Yucky. Dirty. It's a bubble bottle. What are you doing? Well, sit down. Can you sit on your bum? Sit on your... Oh, good girl. Sit on your bum. What a good girl.
I want out the water. I want out of water.
What do you want? What are you going to do?
No, he ran out of water.
Oh, you ran out of water.
So I took some water and put them in the fridge.
Watch where you're going, Kermie.
Water. Huh? We wash the water. Turn the sink on. You turn the sink on. Bubbles like that.
She'll breathe it in. Oh, Xavier, show her how to do it again. Look, she's still trying.
I fill up with water. What happens when you eat? It's like swimming on the water. Like swimming on the water. That's like swimming in the water.